Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell XPS won't turn on, you might be facing a common issue that many users encounter. This problem could stem from a variety of reasons, such as a drained battery, a faulty power supply, or even internal component failures. Ignoring this issue can lead to further complications, potentially resulting in more extensive damage or data loss if left unresolved. To resolve this, you will need a screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery or power supply, depending on the issue. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using a screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel. Make sure to keep track of the screws as they may vary in size. Once the screws are out, gently insert the plastic opening tool into the seam between the back panel and the device body. Carefully work your way around the edges to release the clips without damaging the casing. Now that the back panel is removed, locate the battery or power supply based on your diagnosis. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it will need to be replaced. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector away from the motherboard. If you're dealing with the power supply, locate it and check for any visible signs of damage such as burnt components. Remove any screws holding it in place and gently lift it out. When replacing components, ensure you apply the right amount of force, as excessive pressure can damage nearby parts. Once the new component is in place, reconnect any cables, ensuring they are secure. Before closing the device, it's a good idea to check that everything is functioning. Plug in your XPS and see if it powers on. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully align the back panel and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws, starting with the ones that were removed, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly check your battery health and avoid letting your laptop completely drain. Keep your device clean and ensure it has adequate ventilation to prevent overheating. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.